Just when you thought anything could not get weirder with the supply chain crisis in the U.S., here's a new one. Vehicle titles at government agencies like the Department of Motor Vehicles are being delayed because there's a paper shortage. Sure, you might think that, batteries for EVs or lumber or chips for vehicles could be susceptible to supply chain delays, but paper? Really? So here's one particular state. This happens to be Oklahoma, but many states are facing this. They have a paper shortage, so they can't issue titles. Titles in that state are taking 8 to 12 weeks due to supply chain issues. Well, what's the big deal about paper? Can't you just go to Walmart and buy a stack of paper? Well, the answer is no, because a vehicle title is printed on special tamper-proof paper. It's kind of like the paper they use for currency or money or dollar bills, because a title is a legal certificate, and they don't want people just printing them up on their home computer. So they use special tamper-proof paper. It has watermarks on it, some security devices in it. It's kept under lock and key at the DMV. They put it in a vault at night. They keep it in a safe. So it's not just normal, regular paper you buy at at Staples or at Office Depot. And the producer of that paper is running into the same issues as everybody else. Labor problems, raw materials, maybe the ink or whatnot that goes on it for the base images, all in short supply. So if you're running into a delay at your DMV, here it's 8 to 12 weeks, that's 3 months. It may be because of paper. It may not be anything more than that. Yeah, there might be labor issues or employment issues or delays or backlogs at the DMV, but it also could be that they're run out of paper. So keep that in mind. Here's another story of why you want to verify the title to make sure it's on good paper, because this particular person was making false vehicle titles and selling cars on Facebook. He stole money from victims he would give the victim a false title, probably printed on Office Depot paper, and he sped off with the cash. Detectives found the car on Facebook for sale again, arranged to meet him, and then, of course, set up a buy and busted the guy. Right? Genius, right? He's selling the same car after he ripped a person off. So this is why the DMV uses very specific paper for titles, so people can't just print up fake ones. Let us know in the comments. Have you run into this? Are you getting delayed at DMV? Did somebody try to pass off a fake title on you? And that's another good reason why you want to know where your title's coming from, so you know it's real, not somebody just printing it in their basement.